All right, we're gonna work on our thumb to our first finger transition. This is usually sharp for people. Make sure your elbows are down, not up like this, but down, and shoulders are down. Everything's kind of buoyant and relaxed. We'll start out with just the notes. D to E. Let's go for 1. Let's go for 2. Let's go for 3. 4. 2, 3. Now, one thing that helps this is playing either, we're gonna go first with the G harmonic with the thumb, so the G and the D are gonna play on the same, at the same time, a double stop, and then play the octave to a third finger, G. That's a good practice. D, E, G, thumb 1, 3. Harmonics with the thumb. If you want some extra hurt or extra training, start to press the thumb down and see if you can get that in tune. But starting out, definitely use those harmonics. Now we're going to take the thumb and go over to the A and the D string. We're still going to make placement with our first finger on the D string. It's just a different interval, but it should still blend. Trills back and forth. Here we go. Keep your shoulders down. Keep your elbows down. Your left elbow forward, not up. Not like this. Don't let your shoulder do this. Let your natural pulling power. Let's go thumb 1, 2. D, E, F sharp. G. Sorry. Just D string. How about broken thirds? That's thumb, thumb, 2, 1, 3, 2, thumb. With the open A harmonic drone. And you don't need to look at your hand. You can do any bowing you want. Try to slur something though.